the Iris USA 10 pounds, 12.75 QT. WeatherPro Airtight Pet Food Storage Container is an excellent product for pet owners looking for a reliable and secure way to store their furry friends' food. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I can confidently say that this container is a must-have for any pet owner. One of the standout features of this product is its airtight seal. The container is designed to keep your pet's food fresh and free from moisture, pests, and contaminants. This is particularly important for maintaining the quality and taste of your pet's food, ensuring that they receive the best nutrition possible. The container's capacity of 12.75 quarts is suitable for storing up to 10 pounds of pet food. This makes it an ideal choice for pet owners with small to medium-sized animals. The clear and black color combination not only adds a sleek and modern touch, but also allows you to easily monitor the food levels without opening the container. Made from high-quality,